Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Odyssey alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. You will need common hand tools, including 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm sockets, along with a serpentine belt tool. Begin by removing the engine cover and air intake to clear your workspace. Always ensure your vehicle is cool and securely supported before proceeding with any work. Now, let's get that old alternator out. Use a 14mm socket on the auto tensioner to loosen and remove the serpentine belt. Next, disconnect the main power cable, typically a 12mm nut, and any other electrical connectors. You will need to unclip and move the power steering and coolant reservoirs to create enough space. Finally, remove the two main mounting bolts, usually a 12mm and a 14mm, holding the alternator in place. With the old unit out, it's time for the new one. First, transfer any brackets, like the one secured by a 6mm Allen bolt, from your old alternator to the new one. Carefully guide the new alternator into position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Insert both the 12mm and 14mm mounting bolts, hand tightening them initially. Then, securely reconnect all electrical wiring and the main power cable, ensuring a tight connection. Almost done, reinstall the serpentine belt, making sure it is properly seated on all pulleys and has the correct tension. Carefully return the power steering and coolant reservoirs to their original locations and secure them. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, then replace the engine cover and any air intake components. Finally, start your Odyssey and confirm that the charging system is working, with no warning lights on your dashboard.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.